doing? Why won't you hang out with me? What you're doing is wrong. The adventure continues. You already said that. What? No! Oh no! This is the best thing that's ever happened to us, fellow adventurers! I wonder who's around. Change your mind about me yet? We didn't want to hurt you. That's why we use snow. I hope my mom is watching. Here you go. We are going to be best friends. You're so full of yourself. So pretty. Nice spell. Whoa! Be careful. How's it going? That's my best friend. I'm just cute. Transformerate! Come on, try and catch me. Whoa! Be careful. Awesome! I have a gift for you. We are going to be best friends. What? No! Bye-bye! Boom! Wow! Whoa! You're so full of yourself. I like it. No. I have a gift for you. Spell. I don't know. Be careful. I want to steal you. Hup. Hup, yeah. Perfect. Yes, more magic. You're ugly, but in a cute way. Ultra Mega Basic Attack! This is fun, right? Oh no! We didn't want to hurt you. That's why we use snow. I'm just cute. I like it. I have a gift for you. You're so fluffy. Dang! You're so pretty. Da, 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 da. Ultra Mega Basic Attack! This is fun, right? You're so fluffy! Why won't you hang out with me? Ha! Whoa, this is awesome! Oh no! No! Awesome! We don't want to hurt you! I can do this! Huh. This is the game you want to play? Watch out! Fear not, fellow adventurers! Here you go! What you're doing is wrong. Why won't you hang out with me? Are you made of rainbows? So cute! Change your mind about me yet? You're so fluffy! Are you made of rainbows? So cute! The adventure continues! Huh-yeah! Sometimes the world's more interesting when you close your eyes. Hey, what else is fun? Magic tickles.